Good morning. This is Ramesh, Professor, Mechanical Department, Ratnam Technical Campus. So now we are going to see about the subject of ME 8491, Engineering Metallurgy. So this is the syllabus of Engineering Metallurgy, which is framed by Anna University. From this subject, we are going to have a knowledge about the structure, properties, treatments, and testing, and also the applications of metals and non-metallic materials, and also how to identify and select suitable materials for various engineering applications. Because we are engineers, so while making some applications oriented designs, on the time we have to choose a proper material, a correct material to have a component. Otherwise, it leads to failure. Okay, so this is the most important subject while selecting the materials. So in this, we are categorized into five units. In that, unit one would be alloys and phase diagrams. Unit two would be heat treatment. Unit three, ferrous and non-ferrous metals. Unit four, non-metallic materials, and unit five, mechanical properties and deformation mechanisms. So these are all the headings of the subjects which we are going to see. After completion of this subject, what would be the outcome? Because outcome is the most important parameter. So after completion of this subject, we may get that if we are completing the unit one, that alloys and phase diagrams, then our outcome should be we may able to our students may be able to explain the alloys, what is meant by alloys and phase diagrams, and also what is meant by iron carbon equilibrium diagrams and steel classifications. So what all the steel classifications are there and how it is involved in engineering applications. So these are the parameters can be explained by students. Then the second outcome would be heat treatment. If we completed the unit 2 of heat treatment, then the student can able to explain the isothermal transformation, continuous cooling diagrams, and different heat treatment processes. Then the third unit would be ferrous and non-ferrous metals. After completing that unit, the student can able to clarify the effect of alloying elements on ferrous and non-ferrous metals. Because ferrous metals are using for some of the engineering applications, and non-ferrous metals are using for different kind of engineering applications. So both are important to us. So we have to clarify the effect of alloying elements. Then only we may able to choose a proper material and we can implement the same into the engineering applications. Then the unit 4 would be non-metallic materials. If we completed the non-metallic materials, then we may able to, our student may able to summarize the properties of applications and non-metallic materials. So they may able to classify the non-metallic materials, what all the non-metallic materials are there, and they may able to see the properties, and depends upon the properties, how our applications can be chosen. So these are all the things can be done by our students. Then unit 5. So after completion of this unit 5, mechanical properties and deformation mechanisms, students may able to explain the testing of mechanical properties. What all the mechanical properties are there, how it is involved in engineering applications. So this can be done by our students. So in this syllabus, the textbooks has been defined by the Anna University. So the most important textbook is Avner SH Introduction of Physical Metallurgy, published by McGraw-Hill Company in 1997. And the second book, which is also most important book, that is done by Williams D. Callister, Material Science and Engineering, Wiley India Private Limited, edition number 2014. Okay, and some of the reference books is also there. So UC Sindal and Raghavan and Kenneth G. Budzinski. So these are all the some of the reference books which has been followed for completion of these five units. So this textbook and the reference book is available in our grad rise for your references. So from the next class onwards, we may able to get into the subject of engineering metallurgy in Unit 1. Thank you.